That was kind of a crazy year. My daughter started school and then I changed job and then we got back to the office 3 days a week and then we got a puppy and then my boyfriend moved in. Good morning, guys. It's been so long since I've talked on YouTube. I have been feeling like I needed to come back, if it's even just for myself. A lot of things has changed in my life. But again, I wanted to get back on the YouTube wagon, but I didn't know how to come back or what to say or do I explain everything. And my true self is someone who's an open book. And I also have a new job. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of intense days. I spend a lot of time. Now I have to go to the office 3 times a week, where before I used to go only once. Sometimes I didn't have to go. So this has changed a lot my way of living. The time that I had to put on YouTube, but YouTube makes me so happy. I love to do anything. So I decided to come back. I don't want this to be so long that it is like 20 minutes intro. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here again. Let's start that day. We call this the UFC. It's the next day. I got literally tornadoed by yesterday. The day at the office was crazy per usual. I can never get through what I have to do. Anyway, then I got home and my dog had his operation to get chopped. When I got home, he has this kind of, let me show you. So he has this kind of shirt, right? This is me trying to relax while drinking my coffee in the morning. So anyway, I was saying that he peed on the shirt, even though I rolled it up when he got outside, when I got home. I cleaned that up and then I had an appointment to get my hair done. And I was really tight on time. That was pretty much my evening yesterday. So that was really uneventful. I didn't have my daughter. Tonight, I'm getting her back and we're having a gymnastic end of year show tomorrow. So that's really exciting. And tonight we're going out, my boyfriend, my daughter and I, to a good restaurant because it's supposed to be nice outside. The weather has been so shitty lately in Montreal. We have like one nice day of summer and then 5 or 6 days of rain. So when the sun is out, I'm like, tonight, I want to drink a great Aperol Spritz. I have decided to stop drinking alcohol during the week just because I feel like for the past year, life has been so hectic and I found it really easy to drink alcohol like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let me know if that would be of an interest to you guys. A video where I talk about my new fitness goal. Life has changed so much. So now I go to the office way more than like what I used to. So I have to adapt. I'm trying new platforms. I think I would love to do a video on the Ladder app, like a review video. So if you're interested in that, let me know as well. I'm already really so excited. And just yesterday I didn't film and I was like, what's the point? Should I just keep on filming? And like, because the day just got away from me. I don't want to make excuses. I want to comment and I want to get back on YouTube. So this is me commenting and telling you that yesterday was hectic and crazy. We're gonna get back on track and do our best, and I want this to be fun. Navigating my mid-30s, all good things, right? A lot of it is good. It definitely like made me stop at the point where I am right now and questioning what I want in my life, where I want to go, and I feel like I'm in the mood to do like vision board or something just to align on what are the priorities and what I want to do. One thing that I need to do today is just like working from the office 3 days a week. Literally gives me way less time to do all of the cleaning in the house, and that's one thing that I find really hard because I love my house to be squeaky clean and always put together, if I may say. One of the arguments that we hear a lot is that people used to do this 5 days a week before. So like they're like, well, I did that 5 days a week before, so you can get used to it. But like here, there's clothes, there's so many things on the table, clothes here too. I also am supposed to get 2 things from Quince, so I ordered a new purse and a new necklace, and I've never ordered on Quince before, but I've seen a great reviews online. Hopefully it does get here today. So yeah, but let's go on a walk with the puppy. And it's actually my lunch break. I usually work out on my lunch break, but today is Friday and I am tired. Like I probably mentioned like a bunch of times. I have a haul to film. I put in an order for a very fun video. It's going to be ChatGPT helps me build a capsule wardrobe. It was really fun to do, so I have to film this. It's so nice outside right now. I just want to go out and read my book. What I'm reading right now, Funny Story by Emily Henry. It's good. I'm like at 80% and wishing it is coming to an end soon, just because like the beginning was like I was involved and wanted to know what was going to happen with the characters. Talking about my book, but I'm not bringing it, so I want to go read outside. It's kind of slowing down where I'm at now, and it's like I still have 20% to read, and I'm like, what the heck is going to happen in 20%, because it feels like everything that had to happen happened. I have laundry to fold, but like I said, it's really nice outside, and that's one thing that I've been working on a lot in the past year, is to prioritize doing things that makes me happy. Right now, the thing that makes me happy is go outside and read my book instead of spending the entire lunch break on cleaning up my house. Without any further ado, I'm gonna go outside, read my book, and enjoy amazing weather. And just like that, the weekend is over. It is Monday morning. Nothing really happened this weekend, but at the same time, it was a very hectic and full weekend. We started at this restaurant that we go often as a family. It is a mussel restaurant, and I love it very much. I had one with the lobster in it. It was amazing. And on Saturday morning, we had my daughter gymnastics show. I'm a pretty proud mom. It was such an amazing moment. I got a little bit teary because I used to do gymnastics for many years, and seeing her doing it and enjoying it is really like a full circle moment for me. After the show, we spent a ridiculous amount of time working on the backyard, my boyfriend and I. I am really proud to have my place. I love to spend time in my backyard and enjoy the small moments, because I feel like with everything that changed in my life, I get to experience these small moments where I sit in my backyard, read my book. Yeah, these moments really makes me happy. Speaking of book, yesterday I finished Funny Story by Emily Henry. I give it 3 stars. I felt like the ending was really long and stretchy, and like it was closing a lot of stories, but it didn't move me, if I can say that. So I started Throne of Glass because I've been seeing it everywhere, and I feel like I need to read it just to know what it is all about. Oh yeah, also yesterday we went shopping because I am officially going with my daughter for our first solo trip. This is a tradition that I want to instill, that every end of school year we go, just her and I, somewhere. So we're going to Florida together for a few days, and I'm definitely gonna bring you guys along. So we had a few things to buy for that trip. I'm just leaving for the office. I'm gonna show you my outfit because this is all Amazon. And you, I'm 5'2", so usually these are really too long, but I think it looks good. Ready for a full day of office. Thank you guys for being here, following along. I really want to get back on YouTube because I love this creative part of my life. Thank you for being here. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. If you're new here, I love if we could be friends, so please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Love you, bye.